Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a PDF portfolio using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. First open your Adobe Acrobat Pro DC software and click this file option and click here create option. Here we will find this PDF portfolio option, click here and click add files and add PDF files and add another PDF files. And this is now open. Now you can up and down your PDF file from and I delete this. Now click create. Your PDF portfolio already created. Click this one. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.